In today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly lubricate your Cub Cadet XT1 Enduro series. It's going to be the same thing for a 46-inch, 42-inch, same deal. Everything's in the same location. You're going to need a few things here. You're going to need a jack. You're going to need some white lithium grease, like that. You're going to need any general multi-purpose grease or whatever you have on hand, okay? I always use Lucas grease, never had a problem with it, always recommend it. But use whatever you have on hand, and you're gonna need a grease gun, okay? Very simple. This is optional. You don't always have to jack it up. It just makes it easier to get the grease in there, okay? You're gonna start out taking your jack. This is your cross member right here. Put the jack underneath, give it a couple pumps. Like I said, nothing special. This is not needed. You can do it on the floor. It's easier for me to show it to you this way. You just want to lift it so you get your tire off the floor, like so. You're going to spin your tire until you see your Zerk fitting. And you're going to clean it. Always clean your fittings before you add grease. You don't want to push any contaminant, dirt, or moisture into here. And there's your first spinning you're gonna do. You're gonna take your grease gun, press it in, give it a couple pumps, like so. You're gonna see the grease come out the plastic bearing right there. Take your thing off, spin it a couple times to move the grease around the plastic bearing inside, like so. Clean it off again. Give it another shot of grease, like so. Pop it off. Some people say clean it off when you're done. I like leaving it there to seal the little ball inside the Zerk fitting so no contaminant gets into there. So after you spin this around a couple times, you're good to go. Like I said, you can either clean it off or leave it there. I leave it dirty there like that. Now you're gonna take your tire, turn it in all the way. I'll show you the next one. You come around back. Here's your second one on your spindle. Clean it off very good. Get your gun. Pop it in like so. Give it a couple pumps. You can hear the grease going in. You can see it coming out the bottom. Sometimes you can see it coming out the top. Like so. Pop it off. Like I said, I'm gonna leave it dirty. This doesn't take much. You can rock your wheel back and forth, like so, and you're good to go. This is the, if it was a car, passenger side, which is the right side. Okay, we do the same thing on the other side.
Very important. Okay, here, taking the grease in. See it coming out the sides and the top. That's it.
That's the front 4 grease points. Now you're gonna come with your white lithium grease. And everywhere that has a movement point, such as this, this is the right side or passenger side, whatever you want to call it. You get hit here with the lithium grease. Back in here, where you got your gear coming off your steering wheel shaft, you're gonna hit that with lithium grease. Behind the shaft, if you follow this one back, there's another swivel point. You can see it right there, see it? You're gonna hit that with lithium grease. Nothing crazy. That's it. Now you can work it back and forth, like so. And you come over here to the front. Try to aim it up into here. Nothing crazy. You're gonna hit it. Not there, on the bottom where it connects. Right there. Work it around. There goes your gear. Right on the teeth only. There's your steering shaft. Gotta hit that. Like so. Come to the front. Hit up underneath in there like that. Now that you got all your fronts done, take your jack out and I'm gonna show you the rest of the loop. If you look under here, you have your pulley. You got your belt right here that goes around. You don't ever want to get grease on your belt or your pulley, okay? Very important. You put that on there, you get grease on your pulley. Once you go to drive, you're gonna push in your gas pedal and it ain't gonna move because your belt's gonna be slipping around. So don't ever get grease on here or your belt, any of these pulleys. So to prevent that, you're gonna take a rag like so and just cover your pulley wherever you're gonna be spraying. The belt, just be careful not to get it on there. You can cover it with rags if you want, but that's the point here. Right here, you have a swivel point. You see where it goes into the plastic right here, bushing. You're gonna spray your white lithium grease into that point right there. Nothing crazy either. A little bit like that. Spray it, press it a couple times, and you're good to go. 2. So you got the first one on here, on your brake pedal. Second one here. Here's 3 right here. Here's 4 right here. When you do that, you're gonna raise and lower your deck, like so. That's what affects that right there. There's your swivel point right there. You can do that a couple times, work it in. It's hard to show, but right behind this little copper thing right here, you're gonna hit it. Just like so. Your gas pedal, follow it down. See the white plastic, hit it with some spray. Like so. Come up. Boom. Hit it with some spray. Here's your second one. 2. Follow it down. 3. Behind it. 4. Try to come up from behind it. Like that. See how it goes around front? Then you're gonna go up there, grab your handle, raise and lower your deck 3 or 4 times, and that works it in, and you're good to go. You got one more pin. Here's your deck. Here's your pulleys. Right to the front right here. Another hinge point. Here's your chute. Come straight back in. Right there is another hinge point. Or rotation point, whatever you want to call it. Questions, comments, leave them below. I get back to everybody. Hope that video helped you. If it did, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Spread the word. The more the merrier. Take care, fellas. Peace.